Hi everyone, my name is Randy. I'm an IT professional and a forex trader. Over the past 5 years, I've helped hundreds of students and traders become more profitable in forex trading, e-commerce, and other IT-related businesses online. You're officially welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I'll be making videos on different strategies and secrets in the marketplace that will give an edge and make you very productive and profitable in forex trading, e-commerce, and many other businesses. Expect videos on how you can make money by trading forex, the best trading strategies you can use in the marketplace, forex trading robots, artificial intelligence, AI, 5G technology, blockchain technology, digital transformation, software development, live stream videos, e-commerce, and other IT and tech related businesses, and so on. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos every Monday by 7 p.m. Like, share, comments, and hit the notification bell so you always be the first to have access to my new videos. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.